Hello guys, welcome back. This is an update on the Testarossa. This is how we done so far. Um, we're removing the engine. We're taking out all the screws around here. You see. I'm working today also on the interior and the other side. I haven't finished it. It's a lot of work. We're doing little by little, scraping everything to the metal. Here you can see this side. I'm gonna remove the windows. We're starting to remove little by little everything because it's a big job. So I already started here. It's gonna be everything removed, and then we're still on disassembly. That's the word I'm looking for. But it's going good. I believe we're up to date. We're still I think we have a timeline in like 3 months or less. We already have the fenders painted. We checked it out. We wanted to check the color and everything, and they came out great. I'm going to show you pictures of it. And